So the most popular chord progression is a combination of C, G, A minor, and F. Sometimes you'll see it in a different order. Sometimes you'll see it as C, A minor, F, and G, but it's the same 4 chords. So previously on this challenge, we've learned the reggae strum. So you can use this chord progression to do something like No Woman, No Cry by Bob Marley. I remember when you used to sing in the government yard in Trenchtown. So let's do it right now. 4 beats each. 4 beats each. Okay, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, switch G. Switch A minor. F. Finish it on C, 1 strum. Now let's do the same thing but with a reggae. Okay, so we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, switch. Okay, 1, 2, ready, go. Let's try that again. 1, 2, little slower, go. It might be your impulse to strum first, so just remember to tap on the first beat. Let's try that again. 1, last time, tap. So here's another example. We're going to do the island strum, 2 cycles, same chords. Like that, and that will give us yours. Okay, now let's do the island strum, 2 cycles. So it'll be down, down, up, down, up, and then again. Down, down, up, down, up, and that's when you switch. Okay, here, let's try it. 1, 2, ready, go. Switch. 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 Finish it on C. So really work on mastering those chords and those switches from C to G, A minor to F, because it'll reward you in the long run. And the resource that I would like to share with you, there's 2. One of them is ukuleletabs.com and the second one is guitartabs.com. Granted, the charts are for guitar, but the chord names you know already. So if you see a C sounds the same for the guitar and for the ukulele. Yes, they have 2 strings and it'll have lower notes, but in general, a C sounds like a C on whatever instrument that you're playing, whether it be a baritone ukulele, a regular ukulele, or guitar. If you know of any other songs that you can play with these chords, please drop them down in the comments below. As always, practice, do your homework, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara!